exciting time also because, as you can see, Kenny Rogers is celebrating their 30th year. So you'll get to know more about what's in store for Kenny Rogers in the next few minutes. So, yun, later on po, pakilala po namin kayo to the team. And we hope you enjoy the food.
So, ano na to, very casual meet and greet lang. So, we want to create a relationship, of course, with you. And, of course, we want to work together with everyone here in the room. So, as they said nga, it is Kenny Rogers' 30th anniversary this 2025. And we have a lot in store for everyone. And we want you to be part of it, of course. So again, let me introduce our Marketing Director, Mr. Lauren Payas.
Hello, good afternoon. Thanks for having me. Okay, so fresh pa yung excitement ko namin kasi you'll be the first one to know our plans for our 30th anniversary, which actually starts on Monday. So first things first, I'm Lauren. I'm the marketing director. I'm the group marketing director for the Kenny Rogers Roasters group of companies. So it's a group of different restaurants, but today we're focusing on Kenny Rogers. Okay. So 30, di ba? 30. When you look at 30, for us, it's more than just a number. It's a testament of how far we've come na as a brand and how far we can go together in the future. It also represents all the hard work na nabinigay ng mga tao in the head office, in our restaurants, our suppliers, and everybody behind, the people behind the brand that made Kenny Rogers Roasters the leading fast casual restaurant in the country. So our theme for 30th anniversary is deliciously healthy through the years. Okay, so deliciously healthy, as you know, it's highlighting what we do best, which is to deliver you the deliciously healthy food and experience we deserve. Through the years, it's a song of one of our founders, and hindi natin kakantahin, but it's a song. It shows naman our commitment. It's our commitment to being part of the lives of the Filipino for the past 40 years, and we're committed to be part of the life of the Filipinos for the years to come. Okay? So, on our 30th anniversary, we're going big. So, ito yung magiging pillars for the initiative. So, AIG. First is brand love. So, we were able to build a strong, loyal following in the Philippines. Now, we're really taking it out further. I is for innovation with a purpose, and G is for growth and expansion. Ito yung pillars of what will be happening for the 30th anniversary. So, B is all about brand love. We put the consumers, our customers, kayo, our good partners, at the center of everything we do. It's very important to us. And as a leader, we look at ourselves as a leader and a pioneer in making deliciously healthy food accessible to the Filipinos. So as a leader, we don't follow trends. We create trends. We're proud of that. We don't follow, we create trends. And it also made us really understand what is the need state of our consumer. And we saw that 1 out of 2 Filipinos na nag-subscribe na sila to start living a healthier lifestyle. Gusto nila kumain ng mas healthy, gusto nila mas mag-exercise, gusto nila mas healthier lifestyle altogether, especially after no pandemic. Okay? But 35% of Filipinos feel that having a healthy lifestyle is difficult, it's challenging. So whether the issues are accessibility, affordability, kasi alam naman natin ba sinasabi na kapag kumakain ka ng mas healthy or mas healthy lifestyle mo, mas mahal. And third, yung biggest challenge and pinakamalaking challenge for Filipinos is 46% believes that when they eat healthy, they would need to sacrifice things. And malaking challenge yun because as you know, when we eat, it's our form of treating ourselves, diba? It's an indulgent dapat. So we don't want to be sacrificing things just to eat healthy. And in Kenny Rogers, we want to tell you that being healthy doesn't need to be difficult. and that delicious and healthy can go hand in hand and can actually complement each other. We're able to do this, yeah, yun nga. Hindi mo dapat i-sacrifice ang taste just to be healthy. Because you can have both. You can be both deliciously and healthy at the same time, and you can do it at Henry Rogers Cruises. So, why is eating healthy better? We feel as a brand that when you eat healthy, you eat better. And when you eat better, you feel better. Yung pakiramdam mo mas better. And pag maganda yung pakiramdam mo, you're able to, it shows. You're able to do better things for yourself and for the people around you. And that's what we want to achieve as a brand. It all starts from eating better, and then you eating better, and you're able to do better. And being better is for everybody. Hindi lang siya for those who go to the gym, yung may mga abs, mga triathletes, nag-run a marathon. Being better is for everybody who actually tries. And at Tennis, we want to let you know that you can start choosing better, start choosing healthy, so you can love yourself better. Hindi ka idea namin. So we want to empower you to start loving yourself better. So our thematic campaign for our 30th anniversary is I Love You Better at Henry Rogers Cruises. So, what is love? Diba? Love is such a simple word, 4-letter, but ang pinaka-powerful. And at Henny's, we want to let you know that it's time to love yourself first. It's okay to prioritize yourself. It's okay to put yourself first. It's okay na i-fill mo muna yung cup mo so it overflows and nourishes the cup of others. So our thematic commercial is here. Let's all watch this. See that the video highlights our core products, the signature roasted chicken, the ribs, sides, of course the muffin. But more than that, it really encourages you to start choosing better so you can live a better life, and that you can do it at Henry Rogers. The lyrics is very powerful, nakakatawa, it's a feel-good song, and let's look at the lyric video.
When it feels like you can't push through, oh no, small steps matter, they will carry you. So remember, trying is better than never. Yeah, dancing can't run, chasing ways to love you better. I love me better, but Kenny Rogers. I love me better, better, better. Every day, delicious, healthy, through the years. I love my Kenny Rogers. I love me. People serve the roast and the monkey off. Chicken and breast is how it goes. Don't forget the muffins, veggies on the side. Keeping you healthy and satisfied. Delicious and if you want place to go, gotta be candy for better or for worse. I love me better. Kenny Rogers. I love me better, better, better. Every day, delicious, healthy, through the years. I love my Kenny Rogers. I love me.
So we're reading it at the Spotify and all that. It's gonna be very repetitive and LSS because we love this song. I think it makes us really feel na okay and good when we heard it, and we want that same feeling for those who are gonna listen to it. My favorite part of this is I love me better, better, better every day, because being better is something that I want to give myself. Diba? So, as cliche as it may sound, how can you give something you don't have? So again, self-love is very important. That love for it. Oh, napagaling mo mukha, no? Yeah. Unahin natin ang sarili natin for once. It's okay, okay? Okay. And we're going big with our communication. Kaya sinabi ko big, we're going big with our comms. And we're starting again on Monday from social media to Spotify takeover. There will be bus wraps. There will be the grab bikes. We'll also have words of affirmation at the back. Kasi syempre sa the traffic and all, di ba? Syempre may medyo mga ulo natin. So a lot of feel-good and self-love, self-affirmation quotes at the back of the bus. Bikes. And then mga album phone placements all over the Philippines. And then on Monday as well, So first, we will be introducing the first ever Kenny Rogers Roaster. Sino sumasakay ng LRT1? LRT1. So you will see our LRT1 trains on Monday. So we have a branded LRT train, the Buong train. And when you go inside, even the handrails and everything, the overhead boards, it will be filled with self-love and self-affirmation because we know the struggle of that daily commute. Mahirap mag-commute, diba? So we want to give, to make it mas okay yung araw ninyo by riding the train. Also, there will be QR codes in the train. And when you click, scan through the QR code, it will lead you to a microsite. The microsite then will lead you to the website of KR, which showcases the nutritional information of our products. Because we want transparency. Diba? We want transparency. Doon makikita niyo yung calorie count, yung mga fiber content, whatever, mga information. Because as we claim to be the deliciously healthy authority, we want to back it up with numbers. And these numbers are verified by SGS Philippines, which is a third-party company that really does those validation for numbers. So it's verified po yung mga numbers natin pag sinabi natin na healthy tayo. So when we say it's a high fiber meal, low calorie meal, low carb, talagang it went through the nutritionist and all of those science through it. Okay? Next. Next is innovation. Innovation is very important for us because it makes us really stand out from a very cluttered F&B category. So here you'll see the past innovation we have over the past few years. So yeah, that's pretty good. Favorites. Yes. Okay, so from the chimichurri, we started that chimichurri in the Philippines and now dami ng variation. And we believe that kapag kinakopya kaya, that's the best form of compliment that we can get. If the industry is following the flavor that we're doing, it's okay. We take it as a compliment. And then the award-winning, the Great Garlic Roast, we tried that. So the Great Garlic Roast naman is in partnership with a local business called Daddy Mix. So it's with Leslie Parra. We found out Daddy Mix. So we want to help kasi mga small businesses as well. So it's a local garlic business. Talagang pang household lang siya. Sinuport namin siya and now it's a big business na. And my personal favorite is the truffle collection, which is currently available in the restaurant sa baba. Ito yung naka-wrap sa gold, so it gives you that truffle aroma, the truffle flavor. It's available in steak and mac and cheese. So, yeah, again, we're committed to do more innovation, and we're currently it's truffle. Last Monday, we've launched the Grilled Fest, which highlights our new protein, which is the beef belly. Also available just as this Monday. So, tuloy-tuloy. There's going to be a lot of new products starting this anniversary. Next naman is advocacy. We recognize our commitment also to our community. So advocacy is Kenny Rogers Roasters Advocacy Campaign. What is advocacy? We want to educate the Filipinos on the importance of urban farming. So very specific po kami, urban farming. Urban farming will help resolve issues in for food scarcity and sustainability. Let's watch this short video. year to do this na, and we believe as a brand, to have an effective advocacy, we have to commit on one thing. Hindi kami people na we will do it just for the hype. We are focused and we're committed with this advocacy. And we now have adopted 5 public schools that has a mini farm built na sa mga schools na to. And the goal of those farms is to educate naman the students on the importance of farming. They're actually doing their harvest as we speak. And yung mga harvest nila, kinakain din, and then during summer, binibenta naman ng mga employees in school. And then, for this year, what we're doing differently is, we will also be launching Kenny Rogers Roaster stores in Dahan that will have their own mini farms as well. So, soon you'll find out yung mga stores, so malapit na, but we're building farms, mini urban farms. Hindi mo lang farms na rice terraces farms, mga farms na urban farms in the stores, okay? Next is Solo Love Club. Again, anchored about celebrating self-love, Solo Love Club wants to highlight the mga solo diners, mga solo eaters. A segment that is often overlooked in the Philippines. Because as you know, dito sa Pilipinas, it's all about, alam niyo, medyo masama tingin dati kapag kumakain ka mag-isa. There was like a viral post there, like, ba't sa'yo kumakain ng isa? And, di ba, parang taboo kapag mag-isa ka kumain. But we actually want you to know that it's okay because we feel that that is your time for yourself. Diba? Okay, you had a rough day. I remember kahapon, one of our hosts said, si Isa Liton, she said, she wants to eat alone at Kenny Rogers because that's her escape sa anak niya. Because you need that moment for yourself. Tama naman. So we want to highlight that, we want to celebrate that it's okay to eat by yourself. You don't have to feel bad about it. And you can do it perfectly because we have the perfect solution for solo eaters, which is the solo B plate, the solo plate A and B. And then, where are we next? We are going to the last pillar, growth and expansion. So we've accomplished a lot of things for 30 years. From building those beautiful flagship stores to our record-breaking sales performance to dominating the market share in the Philippines. But we're just getting started. We have more things ahead of us. Nilaload lang, but it's there. Hindi ganitong form yung i-build namin, okay? Just to manage expectations. Hindi ganyang form. Kasi even operations sa bigas na sa akin kung gano'ng malaking farm ba yung not that big. Okay, let me go next slide, please. Okay, starting every month, starting June 30th, there will be monthly promotions about the 30th anniversary. So starting June 10, July 10, hanggang June 30 hanggang December 30, so that's 7 times, magkakaroon ng promotions. And then we highlight our core product. Also, we're working with Coca-Cola when you have a merchandise for every purchase of a healthy plate. And then, ito exciting ko, umorder ba kayo sa Grab? Yes. Okay. Pag umorder kayo sa Grab at nag-qualify kayo sa promo, which starts on Monday, you can get a chance to win a 1-year supply of Solo. 1-year supply. Ilang winners? And 30 winners now. 30 winners of 1-year supply of Solo B. So, it's our way of thanking you guys for supporting us, but also improving the frequency of orders sa Grab app. Okay, where are we next? We've also opened, right now, we're over 150 stores in the Philippines. This is one of our latest stores. And if you can see, when we build big. We go big. And so our last store was in SM Lawag. So from as far as SM Lawag, that's the farthest north, up to General Santos City, we make sure that the presence of Kenny Rogers is there. And our commitment, aside from the 150 plus stores we have this year, is to open 20 more stores in 2025 alone. So We'll end the year around 1.8. And then, just to share, this is something we're very proud of as a brand. For 4 consecutive years, we have a top-of-mind awareness score in the country. What does this mean, Lauren? It means we ask the consumers, the Filipinos, what fast casual restaurant do they know of in the Philippines? And 1 out of 3 would say Kenny Rogers Roasters first. So that says a lot about the heritage, the strength of the brand that we were able to build over the 30 years. So 1 out of 3 Filipinos would say KR first. With 50% of them saying that KR is their brand used most often and the most preferred brand, citing, they said that it's the innovation, the consistency, the reliability, and accessibility as the key drivers for high usage. And we've also asked the consumers to rate their experience sa Kenny's from a score of 1 to 10. 1 to 10 being the highest, of course. And 87% of them gave KR a score of a 9 or a perfect 10. So this says a lot about how they're able to really elevate the dining experience of the Philippines, and they're appreciating it. So, and we're getting a lot of recognition, both local and international. I'm particularly proud of the international awards that we're getting because when we go to the international stage, ang kini-carry namin hindi lang naman the Kenny Rogers. I always make sure that I carry my flag as a Filipino. So I always end it with something Filipino, and then they will say, ano yung sinabi na, but I don't care. But I always end my speech when I receive a award in Tagalog, because that's my way of, showing how proud I am to be a Filipino. And recently, last month, we were in Korea to receive the Gold Stevie Award. So the Advocacy campaign received the Best Nature and Biodiversity Initiative in Asia Pacific. Okay. And so yeah, I think I said a lot. Now I ask all of you to join us in welcoming a new era of Kenny Rogers. It's gonna be stronger, bigger, and better than ever. And yeah, I think you can show them the video for. And we can only do this with the support of all the hardworking people behind our brand.
When it feels like you can't push through, oh no, small steps matter, they will carry you. So remember, trying is better than never. Head on down to Kenny Rogers, 60 ways to love you better. I love me better with Kenny Rogers. I love me better, better, better. Every day, delicious, healthy, through the years. I love my Kenny Rogers. I love me.
Mr. President in the last year. So it took a lot of pressure. Talagang pinilit actually sa video. But again, thank you guys for being here. I know it's raining and I know traffic, but you're able to join us. We appreciate all of you being here. And if you have any questions, the team is just here to answer. And I hope you enjoy our get together. Thank you.